Today we're in Whitehall at 5503 2nd Street, taking in the beautiful sun rays. Can't wait to show you this half-acre lot with 4-car detached garage and all the amazing restorations that the owner's done to this 1800s house. This is a garage lover's dream with its own heat source, electric, running water. You got fans running through the whole thing to keep you nice and cool. And it really is just an abundance of space. 1, 2, 3, 4 garage bays and a ton of storage in your 4th bay. And now that you've checked out the 4-car garage, let's check out the rest of the yard. Nice and fenced area. And then we're gonna go up to the double-tiered Trex deck. And real close from here, you can walk right down to the towpath. And once fall comes, you can sit out for a fire and look out past these trees with all the leaves down and get a great view of the river. And now let's check out this amazingly designed 2-tiered Trex deck. The former owners had the more formal stuff up top and the kids stuff on the bottom. Really a perfect blend of aesthetics and utility. Right off the covered portion of the deck, you walk into this beautifully restored kitchen. We'll just start from the top with your recessed lighting, exposed wood beams, beautiful subway backsplash tile with open shelving, upgraded lighting hardware, 2 full-size pantries with new wood doors, huge butcher block island, new stainless steel appliances, a beautiful stainless steel range hood, granite countertops, new cabinet hardware, nice big deep sink with a beautiful view of your backyard, nice and fenced area, and then down to your heated tile floors. I'm pretty sure they're heated. I gotta double check that. Just a stunning kitchen. Right off the kitchen, you enter in this spacious living room, dining room combo, again with the exposed wood beams running through, and a ton of natural light coming in through all the windows. Now let's head upstairs to check out the 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1 extra special custom walk-in closet. Hard not to fall in love with this custom built walk-in closet with downlighting, shoe rack, towel rack, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to hang your clothes. And easy access from the bathroom and your bedroom. And right off the kitchen is where you can head downstairs to a nice big storage area, your utility room, full bathroom, and nice clean laundry room. All right, if I can do one pull-up, this thing's gonna sell within 24 to 48 hours. I'm counting it with the jump.